Hey love bugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. Okay y'all, we're gonna start off this 3-in-1 with my hair, and right here I'm just applying my wig. This unit was sent to me by Asteria Hair. If you're interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to my review, and in that review will be a direct link to the hair, so check that out. Okay, so now we're gonna put on this sugar scrub because honey, them lips was dry. I mean, they was dry. So I put on that lip scrub. I don't know who it's by, y'all. I got it from Ulta. It ain't nothing special. So y'all, right here, I thought I showed you guys, but right here I am actually putting edge control on my brows, and y'all, I am living for this. It's like it made it so much easier to do my brows. I always have a hard time with my brows. They don't want to cooperate. The hairs be everywhere, and I just really like that look. Okay, but before I do my brows, I'm gonna go in my No PoreBlem. God, I feel like I'm running a marathon. All right, I'm gonna chill. I might be off, but I'm gonna chill doing this because this thing moving fast. I applied my No PoreBlem primer, and then I applied my Becca primer to my T-zone, and then I'm applying this Kisses or hard candy bronzer type thing that I'm gonna wear under my foundation just to kind of give me a glow. And I did my brows with my Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow. Yeah, girl. Sis, we moving on up. And I did have some concealer on my eyelid, so I just set it with some Laura Mercier powder, and I applied tapes to the sides of my eye just to give my eyeshadow that sharp look, you know, like a super sharp look. And I went into this Morphe palette. This is going to be the only palette that I use this entire time. And I know y'all is moving super fast, but yeah, I can't even keep up. I don't know how I expect y'all to keep up. But anyways, I've done this look a few times. Like this is kind of my typical everyday type look. It's super easy to do. And you're just going from light brown to dark brown. And then you're going to apply some gold shimmers in your to your lid space. And yeah, that's just what I'm doing here. And then I applied that lighter gold-ish color to the inner part of my lid space. So yeah, it's gonna come together. It might look kind of messy and kind of unblended and stuff right now, but trust me, sis, it's gonna come together. Okay. All right, and I'm gonna apply that dark brown. You guys know I always have to have a darker brown color on that outer V portion. So yeah, I'm doing that right here. Look, y'all gonna turn around. You girls gonna know what she's doing. I'm telling you. All right, so I'm doing my wing right here with my NYX eyeliner. I love this eyeliner, y'all. I have tried to use other eyeliners and I can never get them to cooperate like I do my NYX, honey. So if you are looking to learn how to do a wing, get you that NYX. You see how sharp that look? Hey. Okay, so I applied my lashes. They're by I Envy, and I have all of that listed down below in the description box. Okay, so right here I am using my Can't Stop Won't Stop and combined it with my Nars what's it called, Radiant Longwear foundation, and I mixed those two up to look like Oompa Loompa, apparently. Anyways, y'all, this is my Infallible concealer. I don't know what shade I have it in. I always just pick up something, so ooh, I hope that's right. So yeah, and then I'm going at my Black Opal foundation stick, and I always use that to contour with. So yeah, I'm just blending that out. And I'll try, a lot of times you guys ask me about my makeup headband thing. I'll try my best to remember to put a link to it. If I don't, remind me down below in the comments. But I did get that from Amazon. It was like 2 for $6 or something. And this is my Huda Beauty setting powder. So I'm just going to use that to set my under eyes and everywhere else that I applied my concealer. Okay, now I'm going to this Cover FX palette, and this, I went into that shade Contour. It's a super deep shade, y'all. Like super deep, super deep, okay? So be careful with that. And I am now going into my Vintage eyeliner, and I reverse contour down there below using my Huda Beauty setting powder. Now we're going to get rid of that reverse contour. We're going to get rid of any excess powder and set our face with the Maybelline FitMe loose powder. So that's what I'm doing right here. And then I'm going to spray some Mario Badescu just to get rid of all that powdery effect. So now we're going to another bronzer. Don't judge me, sis. Sis, don't judge me. I love bronzer. I really love bronzer. It's an addiction. It's my favorite part of makeup, no lie. Bronzer is life to me, okay? And I'm going to this Alamar blush palette, and I'm just going to combine those two pinky and peachy looking shades. And yeah, I'm not a huge blush fan. It is what it is. Then I went to my Morphe setting spray, and child, ain't had nothing in it. So I had to use another setting spray. And yeah, I set my face. And now I'm going back into that Morphe palette. And I'm just applying that dark brown shade to my lower lash line. Now I'm going into this mascara by the Lorac. It has a primer and a mascara. So I'm applying the primer first. And I'm going to let that sit for a second or so. And right here, I'm just going to go ahead and start applying my inner corner highlight. And I use this Pure highlighter that I got from my little cousin. Shout out to you, Ashley. Thank you, boo. And I'm going into that Cover FX palette, and I'm going into that brightener and applying that on top of that, y'all. I really wanted them inner corners to be popping, okay? I want them to be popping. So, back to the mascara. I am now going to the mascara part of that and applying that on top of the primer. Now we're going to go into these Cover FX drops, these glitter drops, and I'm going to use that and apply it everywhere. Apply it everywhere that I would apply highlighter. And then I'm gonna go into this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and put it on top of that. Y'all, I was feeling glowy. I want to be just glowing, okay? I want to glow in the dark, okay? All right, and then I applied my Kisses double stack lashes to my lower lash line. Okay, y'all, so I had decided to wear a brown lippy at first, and then I put it on, and child, it was not a look. No. I did not like how it looked, so I will be showing you guys later. I was applying that Airspun setting powder to try to mattify it, but yeah, it still wasn't a look. So yeah, no, I'll be showing you guys and talking about it towards the end of the video. Child, we are at the end of the video, my bad. Anyways, these right here is just some clips that I took from my review on this unit by Asteria Hair. So if you are interested in that, definitely check it out. I will have all of the information for it down below. Don't forget, that's pretty much it, y'all. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Hail to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I'll see you love bugs in the slow-mos and in the outfit part. Don't forget to watch that. So yeah, bye. Hey y'all, so I wasn't feeling that brown lippy. It's cute or whatever, but it felt very fall, I guess. And I am like one of those people where, y'all, it's a fly that is driving me insane. I am one of those people where I need for my lippy to be seasonal, okay? I didn't like it. I didn't like the way it did the look. So this was the kind of the look that I was going for, which is something that's kind of more everyday. This is a look that you can wear every single day. So what I did was I went in with my Nyx liner, this right here, and it looks red on camera. It looks red around there, but it's not red, it's brown. And I went in with my Nyx liner in the color brown. And then I went in with this Professional Kiss New York lippy in the shade Celeste. And I got this from my local beauty supply store. I'll try to find a link to it. If I do find one, I will have it down. It will be in the description box. And it'll probably be Amazon or something like that. But yeah, I just want to come in and say that right quick. And now we will go to the outfit portion of this video. Okay, y'all, so this is the outfit, and it's just this really cute, it's not a two-piece, it's a top and bottom. They're both from Rainbow. Check out my Rainbow bag over there in the background. Shout out to Rainbow. And it's just like some linen pants, and I think they said that the shirt was linen as well. And I thought it was really cute. I think the whole outfit may have been $25 or so. And then I got on my rainbow jewelry. As soon as you can't tell me nothing, okay? Shout out to Rainbow. But yeah, I thought it was really cute. I'm a very casual dresser, especially if I'm not going anywhere, you know, that it's just a regular off day. I like to have on super comfortable, super casual type clothes. So this is Dot, okay? This is Dot. I don't know if I ever tell you guys like what size I wear for references. And if I can't find this top and bottom, I don't know if you guys would be interested. I mean, like, it's super casual. But if I can find it, I will put a link to it down below in the description box. But the bottoms are a medium. I have a very small bottom. Like, I don't have a small stomach. Don't get it twisted. I have a small bottom. Like, I don't have no butt, and I don't have no hips, and I don't have no thighs, and I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing. But anyways, y'all, my mirror's so dirty. Excuse that. But anyways, my bottom is a medium, and the top is a large. So yeah, and this is that. It's nothing spectacular. Like I said, like the back is just, it's just a regular top and regular bottom. So yeah, and I just got on some little sandals to go with it. The pants are really big, but you know, they're linen pants. Like most linen pants have that big look to them. Excuse my background too. My background ain't the best. I just got through filming, so don't judge me. But yeah, so this is the whole look. I hope you guys think it's cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, it's been a minute since I did a 3-in-1, and I didn't get a chance to order from Fashion Nova. Normally I get my stuff from Fashion Nova, but I didn't have a chance to. So yeah, this is straight rainbow. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Hail to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs in the next one. Bye.